Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville Bambino Plus, and it came into the shop today because the filter, or it was leaking cold water through the bottom, and when I opened up the back, the filter that connects the water tank to the machine was dislodged. 2 of the 3 clips were not in all the way, so it was pouring water through the side and then going through the under of the machine into the grills, which come out on your counter. So we went in there, we fixed that, put the clips back in, and it has not leaked yet. So we're gonna do a test shot. We're gonna test the steam, we're gonna test hot water, and we're using our test coffee for that. And this is very fine, so I did not tamp it all the way. We're gonna do a double shot. And this isn't measured, so if it runs a little fast or a little slow, don't worry about that. It's looking pretty good. That's looking like a good shot. Then we're going to test the steam function. Alright, now we're going to test the steam now that it's warmed up. And it's going to shoot water for a split second. Then it's going to start pushing steam out, as you can see. We're going to try it again. Sometimes you have to pump water through it a couple times. There it goes. As you can see, that's running really well. Alright, and that's everything for this repair. If you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.